if these are your two answers and that are displayed in your calculator and you're wondering how do you write the solutions down when it says it's not the one where you just identify many solutions. Okay? The way that you do that is the first thing is you identify which variable is actually set equal to the @ symbol by itself. Because there's going to be one of these variables, x, y, or z in this case, that's set equal to the @ symbol. So identify which variable is equal to the @ number sign. Now I say number sign because it can be any number. Okay, there's not going to be anything else to it. It's that @ number sign by itself. So when you look at this in this green section here, the green examples, there's not even an @ symbol here, so it's not x. Here it's a negative @ so you can disregard y. Here it's an @2. So the one that's the solution for this is going to be z for the first one. In the second example, again, x is equal to @3. There's nothing else being done to this @ symbol, so that is your solution. So x is the correct variable in this one. Here the @ symbol is being added and multiplied by something. Here the @ symbol is being multiplied by something. Okay, so that is your first step. Once you find what that is, you know that that particular variable will be identified as itself. And everything else will be identified with respect to that variable. So it doesn't matter what the @ number is. Anytime you see it, your second step is to replace that @ symbol with the variable you selected in step 1. Okay, so now we know that @2 is a z. So everywhere we see an @2, we're going to substitute in a z for that. So here we have negative z, and the 0 stays as it is. So this would be your solution for the first example, if the green values were displayed. In the second example, everywhere we see an @3, we're going to replace it with this variable x. So here we get negative 5x as our last expression. But here we need to do something else. So I'm going to write it in here. So 1 plus x. I'm just replacing my @3 with the x. And then distribute through. I get negative 2 minus 2x. And if I just move the order of these terms, my x's first, followed by my constant. And so that would be the form that you would enter your final answer. Okay? So anywhere you see the @ symbol, you simply replace it with the variable that it's set equal to.